let's say someone lives in an area that's not very populated. Is it, with something like that, do you have any opinions of locating yourself inside of a practice versus running your own practice?
That's my preference. If I was going to be a practitioner, regardless if I had a ton of money or no money, if I could step into somebody else's practice and rent a room there or cut some kind of deal, I would much prefer that, because then you're piggybacking off their traffic. Like, for example, let's say somebody who owns a hair salon and they got 20 stations, which means there's 20 hairstylists cutting hair, and there's a room that you could rent in the back, maybe for $500 a month, or maybe for free, and do a profit sharing. And they're going to allow you to market to their customers. Well, think about it. If they've got 20 hair stations, and there's 20 hairstylists, each seeing 7 people a day, it's 140 people a day going through the doors that you're going to have permission to talk to. And the owner of the facility will want you to talk to them because they're going to get a piece of the action. And so I love scenarios like that, because the hardest part of building any business, you guys, is marketing. It's the cost to acquire a client, whether it's through blood, sweat, and tears or money. There's a cost involved. Either it's your human labor or it's money. But if you walk into an existing practice, you're piggybacking off their time, money, brand, and that's a home run to me. That's why I see all these gyms across the United States, Lifetime Fitness, Equinox, et cetera, that are adding in med spas because they got 5,000 members that or X% will try the med spa services. So I think you guys, one day you're going to see med spas in like Walmarts and Targets and just crazy places because of the traffic,